So the sum of n terms of the series 0.5 plus 0.55 plus 0.555. So a previous same model problem, but this is a decimal form. Okay, so in solution sum of n terms, so it is denoted with Sn. Sn is equal to 0.5 plus 0.55 plus 0.555, so on up to n terms. This is also not in GP series, so we convert into GP series. So how to convert? First we have to remove decimal form. This can be written as 5 by 10, 55 by 100, 555 by 1000, like this up to n times. So which one is common? 5 is common. By taking common 5, 1 by 10 plus 11 by 100 plus 111 by 1000 plus so on up to n terms. So now this is multiply with 9 both side, multiply with 9 on both side. So 9 into Sn is equal to 5 into, if you multiply with 9, 9 by 10, 99 by 100, 999, 999 by 1000 plus so on up to n terms. So 5 into, how to write 9 by 10? 9 by 10 can be written as 1 minus 1 by 10. 1 minus 1 by 10 how much? If you take LCM, 10 minus 1, 9 by 10. This one how to write? 1 minus 1 by 100. 99 by 100 can be written as 1 minus 1 by 100. 999 by 1000 how to write? 1 minus 1 by 1000 plus up to n terms. So now 5 of grouping 1 and remaining 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to n terms, minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 100 minus 1 by 1000, so on up to n terms. So 5 of, what is this value? 1 plus 1 plus up to n terms means this result is n. If you up to 5 terms and 1 is added 5, so it becomes 5. Up to n term means it result is n. Minus of 1 by 10, 1 by 100. 1 by 100 means 1 by 10 square or 100, no problem. 1 by 1000 plus so on up to n terms. Now this is in GP series. Okay, so here A is equal to 1 by 10, R is equal to T2 by T1. So 1 by 100 into 1 by 10, sorry 10 by 1, so 1 by 10, R is equal to 1 by 10, this value R is less than 1. So what is the formula? Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R to the power of n by 1 minus R. So apply this formula. A is equal to 1 by 10, R value also 1 by 10. So 5 of n minus A, 1 by 10 into 1 minus 1 by 10 to the power of n by 1 minus 1 by 10. So 5 of 1 by 10 into 1 minus 10 to the power of n by 1 minus 1 by 10 means 9 by 10. So 5 of n minus 1 by 10 into, if you take reciprocal, 10 by 9, 1 minus 1 by 10 to the power of n. So 5 of n minus 1 by 9 into 1 minus 10 to the power of n. So this is 9 into Sn, this value 9 into Sn. So 9 into Sn is equal to, multiply with 5, 5n minus 5 by 9 into 1 minus 1 by 10 power n. 1 power n means 1 only, 10 power n. So this 9 is transferred this side, Sn is equal to 5n by 9 minus 5 by 81 into 1 minus 1 by 10 power n. This is final answer. Now 54 problem. X is equal to 1 plus a square plus a cube so on infinite. Y is equal to 1 plus b square plus b cube so on infinite terms. Then asking 1 plus ab plus a square b square plus a cube plus b cube plus so on infinite terms. So apply, already you know it. This is in GP series, this is also GP series, here also GP series. So you have to find the sum of infinite terms in GP. Okay, so here x is equal to 1 plus a square plus so on plus infinite. In this GP series, first term a is equal to 1, r is equal to t2 by t1, so we get a by 1 means a. Okay, x is equal to infinite term. So what is the formula? S infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r. This is formula. So a means first term 1 by 1 minus r value. R is equal to how much? A. Okay, now say here asking 1 plus ab plus a square b square means we want a value and b value. So from this one we have to find a value in terms of x. So we have to find a. So cross multiply 1 minus a is equal to 1 by x. So minus a is equal to 1 by x minus 1. A is equal to 1 minus 1 by x. So a is equal to x minus 1. This is a value, x minus 1 by a. Similarly then we find b value. Y is equal to given 1 plus b square plus b cube plus so on infinite terms. Here also first term a is equal to 1, r is equal to t2 by t1. t2 by t1 means b. So y is equal to infinite terms a by 1 minus r. A means first term by 1 minus r value is b. So here we find b value in terms of y. So 1 minus b is equal to 1 by y. Minus b is equal to 1 by y minus 1. So b is equal to 1 minus 1 by y. So b is equal to take LCM by y minus 1. This is b value. Now then asking 1 plus ab plus a square b square plus a cube plus b cube so on infinite terms. Asking this one. So this is also GP series. In this GP series a is equal to 1. First term is 1. R is equal to t2 by t1. So t2 means ab by 1. It becomes ab. So S infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r. This is formula. So S infinity is equal to a 1 by 1 minus r value is ab. So already we know it, 1 by 1 minus a value and b value. So a value is how much? X minus 1 by x into b value is y minus 1 by y. Now simplify. Here xy minus x minus y plus 1 by xy. Take LCM. xy minus xy plus x plus y minus 1. So this one transfer this side. Xy by plus x minus x cancel, x plus y minus 1. This is infinite terms of the series 1 plus ab plus a square b square plus a cube plus b cube so on infinite terms. The result is xy by x plus y minus 1. In this problem already given condition a value is less than 1 and b value also less than 1, given condition in problem.